Welcome to this video lesson on Introduction to Reinforcement Learning. After completing this, you will be able to explain the need for reinforcement learning. You are sitting at your desk when your boss assigns you as lead on a high-priority project. While planning the project, you know that if this project is successful, you will definitely be promoted. But you realize that you will have to make some risky decisions to make the project successful. These decisions might backfire and you could lose your job. Or you could take the safe way out, which will result in mediocrity, but hey, you will not get fired. Although this means you would also miss out on your promotion. So what do? You would consider some factors to help your decision-making process, such as current environment surrounding the decision, any experience in similar situations in the past, risk tolerance, small amount of spontaneity or randomness. However, it is not as simple as it looks. It is not just one decision, which will get you promoted or fired. If that project lasts for a year, you will not know for sure of your promotion until the end. There are a lot of decisions to take in the interim, which will not give you an immediate reward or punishment. Taking all these factors in mind, it would be really difficult to create a decision-making algorithm. In a normal machine learning program, a label or reward is applied to every set of scenarios that can occur. But here, we cannot do this since we only receive the final reward after a sequence of decisions. Also, what if the decision of yours greatly backfired, and your boss was not happy? But fortunately, the client loved your approach and ultimately the project went smoothly. We will look at the delayed gratification experiment in the next unit.